So cut the brood into the frames with rubber bands, and bees are settling into a hive box, and then I'll strap them up and take them very close, hopefully more than a mile, to their new home. Happy International Women's Day, folks. I spend the day surrounded by women. These ones are making their way into their box, their new hive, and the sun is setting soon, and right now they're saying that our queen woman is in this box, and you all should join us. That's what they're doing.